This is Anthony from OC Automotive and Diagnostics. Today, I just wanted to touch on a couple of things. I know we've been getting a lot of questions and things, some simple basic things that we just wanted to go over. So this is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. Just gonna kind of show basic stuff like how to check your oil, how to look at your coolant levels and things like that. So let's take a peek in. I know all vehicles are different, but on this one, the way you want to open the hood is pretty much by your left knee. There's going to be a hood release. Pull that up from around the front, and generally you can just lift up a little bit. You're gonna there's going to be a way to unlatch your hood. It's going to have a hood prop. You're going to want a prop right there. So when you look around, I know it looks pretty intimidating. There's a lot going on over here, but as far as checking your oil, you're going to look for your dipstick. This one for engine oil, it is yellow. It has a little oil can on it. You want to do it when the vehicle's been off for at least 10-15 minutes. Right. First thing you do is pull it out, and you're going to wipe it off. You don't want to look at it first because it's going to be off. Clean it, put it back in, give it like 1 or 2 seconds, pull it out. And so you can see where there is a line here where it's dry on the top, but yet there's going to be a line there. And you see the 2 dots, that's your low and that's your full. So if you're in the middle, I mean, that's okay, but you obviously always want to be towards the top. So, and if you flip it over, sometimes it looks like the oil's all over. So you flip it over again, and then you can see where it like the line, like it breaks the 2. So that's your reading. So on this one, we're going to be full. We're going to be good. Everything looks good there. It looks nice and clean. And that's how you check your engine oil on your vehicle. Thank you.